Hello everyone and welcome back to Immigration Talk Show. In this episode, we are diving into one of the biggest shifts in US immigration policy for 2025, that is expedited removal. So if you are an immigrant living in the US or just trying to stay informed, this topic is critical. In this episode, we are going to talk about what expedited removal now covers and how to avoid common pitfalls. Let's break it all down clearly and simply so you know exactly where you stand. So let's understand what expedited removal is. So it's a process that allows US immigration authorities to deport certain non-citizens swiftly without a court hearing. Historically, its application was limited to specific circumstances. However, recent policy shifts have expanded its scope considerably. And if we look into the core details, the number one, expanded scope of expedited removal. So firstly, if we talk about nationwide application, then previously confined to areas within 100 miles of the US border, and individuals present for less than 14 days, expedited removal now applies to undocumented individuals encountered anywhere in the US who cannot prove continuous residence for at least 2 years. Next, affected individuals. So this includes those who entered unlawfully, individuals paroled into the US whose parole has been revoked, and certain parole program participants such as those from the CHNV, Cuba, Haiti, Nicaragua, Venezuela program.
You know why I'm vacationing in Dubai right now? Because I stopped drowning in RFEs, intake calls, and late-night filings. I used to hire freelancers who barely knew what a G28 was. Total chaos. Then I found IMI Support, virtual immigration paralegals trained in real case prep, DocketWise, and USCIS workflows. Now my calendar's clean, my clients are happy, and my firm runs while I relax. You can hustle or you can outsource smart. I chose freedom. I chose IMI Support.
So now we talk about some common mistakes leading to expedited removal. Firstly, lack of proof of residency. Failing to provide evidence of continuous US residence for at least 2 years can result in expedited removal. Next, misunderstanding parole status. Now, assuming that being paroled into the US offers indefinite protection can be misleading. Once parole expires or is revoked, individuals may be subject to expedited removal. Also, not applying for asylum promptly. Delaying asylum applications can increase vulnerability. Individuals who haven't applied for asylum may be prioritized for expedited removal. Now, moving ahead with consequences of expedited removal. So firstly, immediate deportation. That's right. Individuals can be deported without a court hearing, often within days. Next, re-entry bar. An expedited removal order typically includes a 5-year bar on re-entering the US. Also, limited appeal options. There are minimal avenues to appeal an expedited removal order, making it challenging to contest. So friends, what you have to do right now: document your residency. Maintain records such as utility bills, lease agreements, and employment records to prove continuous US residence. Also, understand your status. Stay informed about the terms and duration of your parole or visa status. Next, seek legal counsel. In case if you are unsure about your status or rights, then consult with an immigration attorney promptly. And at last, act promptly. If eligible, apply for asylum or other relief options without delay to avoid falling into expedited removal categories. So as we wrap up, the expansion of expedited removal in 2025 underscores the importance of staying informed and proactive. And by understanding the current policies and taking appropriate steps, you can better protect your rights and navigate the US immigration system. So as we wrap up, the expansion of expedited removal in 2025 underscores the importance of staying informed and proactive. And by understanding the current policies and taking appropriate steps, you can better protect your rights and also navigate the US immigration system effectively. And with that, thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. See you next time.